Condenser coils typically reside outside your home in the familiar large, box-like metal structure that most people think of as their air conditioning unit. The cooling system also includes evaporator coils located within the HVAC system inside the house, usually stacked on or located very near the furnace. Over time, your air conditioning unit's condenser coils will collect dirt, debris, and various deposits. All that dirt can reduce airflow and insulate the condenser coils, inhibiting its ability to absorb heat. This, in turn, causes the unit's capacitor to work harder, drawing more amps and potentially shortening its lifespan. Because the condenser coils are located outside your house, they are exposed to the elements for most of the year. Even if covered when not in use, these coils can still be susceptible to inclement weather. You have probably heard AC companies suggest having your HVAC system serviced twice a year. Cleaning AC coils at least once a year is important for efficient operation. Homeowners should visually inspect their AC coil in early spring to ensure it is not plugged up before the summer heat demands that your air conditioning perform at peak potential. If done regularly, the complete AC maintenance can be done at any time during the cooling season. If you have a heat pump, you should inspect and clean it the same way in the fall. A complete AC or furnace maintenance should be done by an HVAC professional like the certified technicians at Eyman, but you may choose to handle additional AC coil cleaning on your own. A simple wash with water will help clear your coil of grasses, sticks, and fuzzy plant materials like dandelion heads and cottonwood fluff that accumulate in the coil. All you need to clean off the condenser coils is a garden hose with an adjustable nozzle. The unit does not need to be opened. You can clean the coil through the louvered sides. Begin by cutting the power to your AC by turning off the breaker at your electrical box or by removing the fuse from the fuse box, usually located outdoors near the cabinet. You don't want to risk a shock while washing off the coil. Remember, less is more. Do not use a vacuum, brush, or broom to clean your condenser coil. If you examine your unit up close, you will notice the coil is made up of hundreds of extremely thin vertical fins or folds of metal. Be careful, these fins can be easily bent or damaged by vigorous brushing or blasting with a power washer. Clean your coil with a garden hose with an adjustable nozzle. Set the water pattern to a wider, gentler setting like flat or shower. Do not use the spray setting. Begin at the bottom of the unit and slowly wash a few inches across, spraying left and right across the coil. Continuing to spray a few inches across, left and right, while you move the spray upwards, cleaning the first vertical column. The force of the water will push the dirt and debris up and out of the fins. When you reach the top of the coil, rinse the area you just sprayed, angling downwards. Move over a few inches to begin the next vertical column. Repeat the upward washing and downward rinsing until you've cleaned the entire side of the coil. Take your time and repeat the process until each of the 4 sides has been cleaned. Then you can restore the power to the unit. If your unit has gone many years without cleaning, this simple method may not be enough, and you may need to call Eyman to disassemble the unit and do a deeper cleaning from the inside out. If you have any concerns about your home's air conditioning unit, it is best to call in the professionals. Eyman Plumbing, Heating and Air can repair any air conditioner quickly and efficiently, saving you time and money. Call Eyman when the summer temperatures begin to creep into your home.